Hello guys, my name is Rogane. Welcome on board. I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step procedure on how to install WordPress in a subdomain. As you can see on my screen already, I already have my cPanel opened up, so I have to log in. Or I assume if you're watching this video, you already have the hosting plan, so you just log into yours and follow along. So welcome on board. This is my cPanel area. Like I said, I want to install WordPress into a subdomain in my own website. So right now, what we need to do first and foremost is to create a subdomain. Here it is. Click on subdomain. Subdomain is an extension of the website, like when you have blog.so, like blog.example.com, whatever the case is. Right now this is my own website URL, so you can see here I already have one already created as a subdomain. So right now I want to create the one we're going to be using for this tutorial. Call it web design. Call it web design. So right now this is just it. I'll click on create. Just wait while it loads. There it goes. This is now the subdomain. So if we are to copy this URL here, web design, and decide to test it here, there you go. Say sorry. If you are the owner of this website, contact the hosting plan. Okay, let's go back and see what we have here. There we go. So if we are to visit this right now, let's try it one more time. Saying the same thing, but never mind, forget about that. So right now what we need to do is go back to our cPanel. Here we are. Now we want to install WordPress on that URL we just created. So you have to scroll down to your CMS folder. Here you have your WordPress, the Joomla, whatever the case is. In our own case, we'll be using WordPress, so I'll click on WordPress. It's in, so we just got to wait. Here we are. We are in the WordPress environment. Right now, this is the version WordPress 4.9.8, which is the latest version of WordPress as this recording is going on. So what we need to do is to click on install. Once we click on install, there's something you have to take note here. Here, this site is an HTTPS site, which is already secured. If you don't already have that, there's no problem, you can also install it. But right now, it's asking if we want to install this on this domain. No, we already have the content on this, so we want to install it on this web design we already created before. So we select that. In this area, you don't need to fill anything in. You just automatically install and create directories for you. Except you need to direct it to somewhere else. That would be the only reason you need to create that folder. So right now, you just call it the name of the site. Call it web design. Sorry about that. Call it web design. So learning web design is our goal. Let's change this to capital letter. So that is it. For the username, this is what we're going to be having. For the login, just call it web design. Password, you give it whatever password you want to give yours, as the case may be. So right now I'm going to be blurring all this content out, the username and password, because you don't need to see that. In your own case, if you have to do that as well, also do well to make sure you blur them out as well. So I'll just create my own password. So this is the email address I want to be addressing this to. I'll just change it to the usual one I used to have here. So let's just put my Gmail account here for simplicity's sake. And for the language, select English. It all depends on where you're from and the language you want to use as a preference. So in this case, I'll just select one of this here to use. Select one. So many. Wow. Let's just install this. Select this one and install this. It's going to be actually it. Let's click install. So wait to take a few seconds to process. And once it's done, we'll be able to have access. There we go. Now this is the URL. So if you open it in a new tab, there we go. Now our mini site already in place. So this is just how you create your WordPress site in a subdomain. So in the next video, we're going to talk about how we can go about customizing the site as it is. So see you in the next video.